my name is Destiny. I'm 20 years old and I live in New York. I think finding balance means prioritizing yourself, making sure you take time to check in with yourself and making sure you're okay and don't feel stressed or overwhelmed. Some of my skin concerns are redness. My skin is very sensitive. It also gets very dry, and I do suffer with acne. I think hyperpigmentation is something a lot of people struggle with. There's a lot of things in skincare that, whether it's acne or dark marks, people take it as they don't take care of themselves or their skin, or they don't prioritize their self-care and caring for their face. When in reality it's normal and a lot of people go through it, and it's just about finding the right products. And that's why we have Baby Strike.